Hello folks, it's Chris in Arena Recording Studio. Today I'm going to show you 3 warm-up picking exercises which are really easy, but what they actually do is transform your coordination between left and right hands, syncing all the fingers at speed, which is brilliant for any shreddy kind of runs or phrases that you're trying to get into. It's a very simple exercise. The first one literally just means, it's as simple as this: just hold one note and then we pick the pattern like this. Okay, pattern number 1, that is now normally what I would do also, is because what we kind of do is the quality of the timing on this. So I would probably put a metronome. I'm going to start this at 130 beats, go at a comfortable place, and then work your way up to try and get up to, I can probably hit maybe 204, 205 beats with just that exercise on one note. And what that does, playing fast, actually controls the amount of pick movement where we don't get this kind of thing going on. So that was exercise number 1. Here it is to the metronome. Okay, get the idea. Now don't just do a minute, 2 minutes, drill this constantly 4 or 5 minutes at a time, have a little rest, go again. You're building stamina, you're building timing, you're building coordination with this pick staying in close contact with the string all the time. Because when you're shredding and you're moving sort of from one string to another, you have to be effective and efficient with that movement. Excess movement is going to kill you. So it's all about controlling that movement on this pick and the string, keeping the pick in contact with the string constantly. That's what I'm focusing on there. Exercise number 2 is we change this and we now bring in the fingers a little tiny bit, where we're going to play 5, 6, 7, and the pattern goes like this. Okay, now I will put tabs to this on my Ko-fi channel. I had to think what it was called then. On the Ko-fi channel I will put a tab to this on there, PDF that you can download for free, all that kind of stuff. That'll all be on there. Should be links in the description. Here's exercise 2, and this is going to sync the fingers as well as keeping the pick in contact with the string and making sure that they marry up, they are synchronized constantly. That's what you're after. So again, I'm still at 130 here, which is a nice comfortable starting point for me. Here we go. Okay. Exercise 2. Okay, so 130 for that one. Should sound something like this. Now ideally, what you should be able to do is go from the second exercise to the third exercise in one position. So I'll just give you a quick example of that. I'll speed up a little bit this time. Let's just take a potluck punt at 185. Here we go. Now if you watch the right hand, you'll see there's very little movement. It's all very effective pick movement. So here we go again. 185, and I'm sure I could probably squeeze a bit more, possibly 200, 204, 205. And again, the idea of going fast is you are restricting the amount of movement. You have to respond quickly with a pick when you're playing fast. A lot of guys will tell you that you need to play slow and build up the speed. Playing slow is when you're learning a sequence, when you're learning a phrase. But if you want to create speed in your shred or this kind of stuff, you have to practice fast. And this is a great exercise for synchronizing the pick and the fingers, okay? Because what we're going to look at now is how we apply this up the A minor scale, okay? So again, I would do 5, 6, 8. Then I would do it in reverse. Then we move up to 6, 8, 10 on the B string. And in reverse. And then 8, 10, 12. And again 10, 12, 13, which is great because you're bringing in fingers 1, 2 and 3. So here we go. And then 12, 13, 15. And obviously you'll do this to the metronome at a comfortable place where you can drill that out. Then we're going to go 15, 17 and 18. So there we go with this. And then finally, you're always pushing those boundaries constantly. That's what you're aiming to do with this. But make sure that you are synchronized. We don't want this where it's kind of going... We've got that kind of noise going on, then we're out of sync. We have to make sure that the metronome controls the timing and keeps us. Then when you can do it on that B string, go at A minor, on the E string, and again follow the same sort of pattern. Practice those, drill those constantly. I use that as a warm-up every single day before I work on anything at all. It just synchronizes left and right hands together and does a brilliant job at that. And it also has a massive impact when you're working on any shred or scalar runs, 3-note per string patterns, all these kinds of things, because it starts to teach this effective and efficient approach. Don't just do it for a couple of minutes. You know, if you're going to practice something, practice it consistently and constantly to get the results. Even if you spend a week or 2 weeks perfecting your timing on this, make sure that that's something that you do, because the rewards that you get from this are going to be brilliant. So even if you could do the whole exercise on the B string and the the B string and the E string in A minor, look at doing it for maybe 10-15 minutes. You could even use all the strings if you want to. Work your way up and down and then doing it in reverse as well. Just take everything, every idea that you can possibly get to improve your playing, take it, rinse it to wherever you can to get the most and maximum amount of benefit from it. It's been an absolute pleasure. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can catch up on more content and a few behind the scenes things and all those shenanigans that go on in Arena Recording Studio on the Ko-fi channel. All the links are in the description. So please give us a thumbs up, like and share the video. It makes my day, and I will see you all very soon with another exciting part of this musical journey that we're all on together. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon.